Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about this Mystery Wand Professor series. There are 9 to collect and I have 13 packets to open and let's hope I get a full set. First one, here we go. Is there a tape slip? I don't know. Let's have a look. There is. Here we go. Ooh, what have we got inside? Let's see what it's like. Professor Slughorn. Oh. Get this out. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, I love it. It really is cool. And what you do is get the wands, stick the wand in, and a fantastic display that is. Right, number 2, here we go. So, about Christmas. So these have finally arrived in the UK. Been waiting a while for these. What have I got now? Oh, come on, put it up. We have Professor Lupin. And look at that. With the pocket cabinet. And his wand goes in like so. Fantastic. All right, number 3, here we go. Put the packaging down now. Let's see if I can get 3 for 3, eh? Yes! Albus Dumbledore. Oh, it's fabulous. I'll put that there. Look at that. Oh, it's quite heavy. It's got a really... Oh my god, it's amazing. And his wand will go in there. There you go, everyone. It's gorgeous. Number 4. Let's see what we get. Rip it. Oh, put that down there. I think these are brilliant. I love this idea. Yes. Woo! Who have we got? Professor Sprout. Yay. And what we got? We have a mandrake in a pot. Absolutely brilliant. And there's her wand. It's in protective cover. Let's get it off. Fantastic. There you go. Absolutely lovely. Okay, number 5. Let's see how well we got with this one. Ta-da! Okay. Ooh. Yay! We have Sybil Trelawney. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's amazing. I love it. It's so heavy. And her wand. Oh, love it. I think it's fantastic. What do you lot think? All right then, 6 now. Got 5 so far. No dupes yet. Let's see what we get in this one. Okay. Get it open. Oh, lovely. It's Professor Severus Snape. Oh, it's a cauldron. Oh, I love it. I must admit, I love them all. There's one. These. It's brilliant. I love it. Number 7 now. So we've had 6 so far. No dupes. Doing really well. Okay. 3 to go. Oh, I can't get my fingers in this one. There we go. Another new one. McGonagall. Yes. Oh, it's the cats. Oh. There we go. Wow, I love this. This is fabulous. I think it's perfect for her. Time for number 8. See the luck still runs. Yes, hope so. Cool. Oh, nice. It's a duplicate. I've got another McGonagall here. First one. Okay, number 9 now. 1 duplicate, not bad. Considering I only need another. Right, here we go. No, is another dupe. Sybil, Tawny. Never mind. That's the second dupe one. Let's go for box number 10 next. Number 10. Oh. Let's do this. Come on, let me in. It's never. Yeah. We have, this is Flitwick. Oh, it's the Forever Wingardium Leviosa. And there is his wand. There you go. Fantastic. Alright, box number 11. I only need a Mad Eye. That's all I need. Let's see what this one is. It's a duplicate. It's Slughorn. Never mind. Keep trying. Okay, number 12. So we've got one more after this. Come on, Professor. Get a finger in there and pull. Mad Eye. It's Lupin. Sorry, it's Lupin. Never mind. Got one left to go. Let's hope I get him. Is it really? That's only the book. Alright then. Last one. Number 13. Come on, Mad Eye, be in this packet. Please be in this packet. There we go. Oh. No, sadly not. It's for out. Never mind, I've done really well. But 8 out of the 9. Close-up's coming up soon. There you go, 5 duplicates. So my duplicates are Sprout, McGonagall, Slughorn, Trelawney and Lupin. The only one I'm missing is Mad Eye Moody. So if any of you out there in the UK have a Mad Eye Moody to spare and fancy a swap, get in touch with me in the comments or message me.